Actually, network is too slow. That's why it is taking time for responding. I'm audible? Yeah. Uh, yes, you can use Wi-Fi hotspot. There is no issue at all. Harshvardhan ji, you can use Wi-Fi hotspot. There is no issue. Samidha ji, Samidha, no, virtual it is not possible. There are no simulators for Raspberry Pi. There are no simulators for Raspberry Pi. Wait a minute, my Raspberry Pi got disconnected. Just a moment. If it is like, if there is a network issue, just a minute. I'm sorry, just a minute. Connection is lost. I'm just reconnecting. Try to reconnect it.